and call. You don't have to be in the same country anymore to make a phone call. The world is so small right now. You can pick up the phone and call. And people are just people anywhere you go. You gotta realize, say, you're creating networks before you're even in our country. Now, these are things that we 100% encourage you guys to do. And some persons who did it and be successful from it might be saying, why don't I share it to everybody so then Canada feel? Answer the question. When
those set of people.
It
worked for them and they will never want somebody else to use the same method.
Why are you sharing it? No, everybody's going to do it. They're going to abuse it. They're going to cause me not to be able to... Go ahead, man.
Nah, stop nothing for you.
I'm saying, in the rise, part to advice me can find. Go, man. Go ahead. Listen, it's about helping each other. If you do something that was able to aid